Welcome to Bone Cottage. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus dining area. You can see here the sofa, chair and also tea table, and we have a TV unit on the front wall and a dining counter with 4 chairs. If we go inside, so we have kitchen cum washing area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also we have a washing machine arrangement here. You can see here 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go on the left side. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If you go inside, so we have 3 feet in meter 0.91 meter wide passage here, and on the right side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, study table with 2 chairs and a wardrobe arrangement, and large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. On the left side we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.